In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Keep Notes to PDF for printing, a straightforward process that can be done in just about 5 minutes. First things first, you'll need to access Google Apps on your device. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Apps menu. It's typically located at the top right corner, represented by a grid icon. Click on that and a drop-down will appear showcasing a variety of Google services available to you. Here you'll want to locate the icon for Google Keep. It's identified by a light bulb emblem. Once you find it, go ahead and click on the Google Keep icon. This action will direct you to the Google Keep homepage where all your notes are stored. Now scan through your list and select the particular note that you want to convert into a PDF. Clicking on the note will open it, allowing you to view and make any necessary adjustments before proceeding to the conversion step. With the note selected, you'll notice an icon labeled More, which is typically represented by 3 dots or lines. Click on this icon to reveal a list of additional options. From this list, select the Copy to Google Docs option. This step is crucial as it effectively transfers your note from Google Keep to Google Docs, where it can be easily converted into a PDF format. After clicking Copy to Google Docs, a new document will be generated. Look for a prompt or notification that allows you to quickly open this newly created document, usually via an Open Doc button. Hit this button and your document will open up in Google Docs, ready for the next phase of the process. Now located in the top left corner of the page, you'll see the File menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list of file management options. From here, hover over the Download option and subsequently select PDF Document PDF. Your document will then download directly onto your device in the PDF format. Once the PDF is successfully downloaded, you can open it using your preferred PDF viewer. At this stage, printing your note is a breeze. Simply connect your device to a printer and follow the usual steps for printing a document. Ensure your printer is loaded with paper and is properly set up to print the document you